Amazon Prime Day is almost here, and the online retail giant is already slashing prices on top appliances, cooking tools, and more. We've got the scoop on the best kitchen deals to grab before July 16th and 17th. Whether you're a gourmet chef or love quick meals, these deals are simply irresistible. Stick around for the hottest discounts and must-have kitchen gadgets. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description box below. Vitamix 5200 blender was $550, now $405. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Vitamix 5200 blender. Known for its exceptional power and versatility, it effortlessly blends smoothies, soups, and sauces to perfection. This high-performance blender is a must-have for anyone serious about cooking and healthy living. KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt-head stand mixer was $330, now $250. Transform your baking and cooking endeavors with the KitchenAid Classic Series stand mixer. Its robust design and dependable performance make whipping cakes, bread, and other delicious treats a breeze. Tyneco One S5 Pro 2 cordless wet-dry vacuum was $600, now $420. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Tyneco One S5 Pro 2 cordless wet-dry vacuum. This powerful vacuum easily handles wet and dry messes, providing a spotless home without the hassle of cords. Cleaning has never been this efficient or effortless. Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker was $299, now $229. Indulge in barista-quality coffee at home with the Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker. This sleek and sophisticated machine ensures every cup is brewed to perfection, satisfying even the most discerning coffee enthusiasts. Start your mornings right with this premium coffee maker. All-clad D3 stainless steel 12-inch fry pan was $130, now $100. Achieve culinary excellence with the all-clad D3 stainless steel fry pan. Renowned for its superior heat distribution and durability, this fry pan is perfect for searing, sautéing, and frying. Step up your cooking game with this professional-grade kitchen staple. Lodge 10-inch cast-iron round griddle was $33, now $20. Embrace the timeless appeal of the Lodge 10-inch cast-iron round griddle. Ideal for pancakes, burgers, and more, this griddle delivers exceptional heat retention and even cooking. Experience the joy of cooking with this enduring kitchen essential. Ninja Creamy Deluxe 11-in-1 Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker was $250, now $220. Unleash your creativity with the Ninja Creamy Deluxe Ice Cream and Frozen Treat Maker. This all-in-one machine lets you make a variety of frozen delights, from ice cream to smoothies with ease. Turn your kitchen into a dessert haven and delight your taste buds. Green Pan Paris Pro Nonstick 8-inch frying pan was $50, now $35. Cook healthier meals with ease using the Green Pan Paris Pro Nonstick frying pan. Its advanced nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, making it perfect for everyday cooking. Enjoy a superior cooking experience with this eco-friendly pan. Le Creuset 7.25 quart round Dutch oven was $460, now $298. Discover the joy of cooking with the Le Creuset round Dutch oven. Its superior heat retention and stunning design make it perfect for slow cooking, braising, and baking. Global Classic 8-inch chef's knife was $159, now $102. Experience precision and performance with the Global Classic 8-inch chef's knife. Its razor-sharp edge and ergonomic design make it an indispensable tool for any kitchen. Slice, dice, and chop like a professional chef with this exceptional knife. KitchenAid 7 quart bowl lift stand mixer was $600, now $530. Take your culinary skills to the next level with the KitchenAid 7 quart bowl lift stand mixer. This powerhouse mixer handles large batches with ease, making it ideal for ambitious baking projects. Enjoy the perfect blend of power and performance in your kitchen. Omega NC900 HDC cold press juicer machine was $400, now $261. Enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed juices with the Omega NC900 HDC cold press juicer. Its slow masticating process ensures maximum juice extraction and minimal oxidation, providing you with the healthiest and most delicious juices possible. Start your day with a burst of vitality. Simple Human Sensor Liquid Soap Pump Dispenser was $70, now $44. Add a touch of modern convenience to your bathroom or kitchen with the Simple Human Sensor Liquid Soap Pump Dispenser. Its touch-free operation ensures hygiene and ease of use, making hand washing a seamless experience. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic. Espresso machine was $850, now $500. Indulge in the ultimate coffee experience with the DeLonghi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso Machine. This sophisticated machine delivers cafe-quality espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes at the touch of a button. Bring the coffeehouse experience to your home. Dyson V8 cordless vacuum cleaner was $470, now $430. Keep your home spotless with the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum cleaner. Its powerful suction and lightweight design make cleaning effortless, while its cordless convenience allows you to tackle any mess, anywhere. Ninja AF101 air fryer was $130, now $90. Enjoy guilt-free fried foods with the Ninja AF101 air fryer. This great appliance uses hot air to cook crispy, delicious meals with less oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Treat yourself to tasty, low-fat dishes effortlessly. Mueller Pro Series. All-in-one vegetable chopper was $60, now $40. Simplify your meal prep with the Mueller Pro Series all-in-one vegetable chopper. This handy kitchen tool makes chopping, slicing, and dicing vegetables quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Enjoy perfectly prepared ingredients with minimal hassle. Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker was $150, now $80. Start your day with a perfect cup of coffee from the Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker. Its simple, user-friendly design brews a fresh hot cup in minutes, allowing you to enjoy your favorite coffee effortlessly. Make every morning special with Keurig. ThermoPro Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer was $50, now $34. Achieve perfect cooking results with the ThermoPro Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. This tool ensures your meat is well cooked, with real-time temperature monitoring and alerts. Cook like a pro with this smart kitchen gadget. Ninja QB3001 SS. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender was $70, now $45. Blend your favorite smoothies and shakes on the go with the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Its powerful motor and portable design make it perfect for a quick, healthy drink anytime, anywhere. Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine was $250, now $200. Master the art of sous vide cooking with the Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine. Its precise temperature control and compact design make it easy to achieve restaurant-quality dishes at home. Elevate your culinary skills with this advanced cooking tool. Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers with lids was $40, now $34. Keep your food fresh and organized with Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers. Their airtight, leak-proof design ensures your meals stay delicious and mess-free. Royal Craft Wood Bamboo Cutting Board Set was $45, now $40. Upgrade your kitchen with the Royal Craft Wood Bamboo Cutting Board Set. These durable and eco-friendly cutting boards provide a sturdy surface for all your chopping needs, while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Fresh Made Salad Lunchbox was $14, now $9. Take your salads on the go with the Fresh Made Salad Lunchbox. It keeps your veggies fresh and crisp, ensuring a delicious meal anytime. Enjoy healthy, convenient lunches with this practical and stylish container. Reelin Under Sink Organizer was $46, now $42. Maximize your storage space with the Reelin Under Sink Organizer. This organizer keeps your cleaning supplies and toiletries neatly arranged, making it easy to find what you need. Transform your under sink area into an organized and efficient space. That's a wrap on the best kitchen deals to shop before Prime Day. If you enjoyed this roundup, like, comment, and subscribe for more deal updates. Happy shopping, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.